Fiat 500 and its practicality. Welcome back to Car 5s and to our series of videos about the function. We are speaking about all the features and functions of every car. And if you didn't see it yet, check the video about driving the car. It's already on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment and like, and let's start. As usual, let's start from the driving position. It's kind of egoistic car. It's nice for driver and it's nice to sit here for driver, and maybe it's nice to be passenger, but it's awful to be passenger there. So what do we have at the steering wheel? We have nice vegan, super eco-friendly steering wheel. On the left side on the steering wheel we have all the controls for the driver dashboard. We have controls for the phone. At the right side we have controls for the cruise control system. You can activate cruise control system, you can activate limiter, set up the speed, cancel it, or restore the safe speed. With higher modifications, you also have the adaptive cruise control system and ability to change the distance and activate active lane keeping assistant. At the back side of the steering wheel, you have these nice buttons that allow you to control the volume of your music, mute everything. And on the left side you will have this ability to jump through the tracks or change the source of music. Nice hidden buttons. They are really easy to use, but you need to know about them. And we have fully charged battery. Nice. On the left lever we have activation of automated lighting. You can just turn it on and that's it. Also here you can activate or deactivate lane departure warning system. On the right side you have rain sensor, just change the sensitivity and that's it. You have different styles of how everything looks at the driver dashboard. You can switch for them. Actually there are only two of them, but still. Yep. And you can jump through different menu items here as well. What do we have here? We have only one cup holder. My Vikings are really upset with them. You can even close it if you don't like it, but let's keep it there. Here, parking brake, changing of driving modes. Find out more in the driving video. Changing the volume of music or muting it. Here we have hidden compartment for one more you can think cup, but actually you will not be able to put it there, so it will not fit. But maybe my Vikings are just fat. But you can put your bottle there. One more storage compartment here, actually quite deep, and you can adjust it to be more useful for you. Here you have all the controls for the gearbox, start engine button, and physical buttons, thanks God, for all the climate control functions. That's amazing. That's amazing. Also you have USB port here, and you have nice picture of Torino as well. And on top of that, on the door you also have this nice Made in Torino sign with Fiat 500 old version. We have electric locks, so basically you click the button and door is opened. And in case you ran out of juice, you can open door with physical lever here. We have all the controls for the mirrors and door buttons with only driver window with automotive. Now back to multimedia system. We have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It works fine, and with the size of the screen it fits well with ability to see the map properly. You have vehicle menu allowing you to change different settings of the car. The most interesting part will be here in safety and driving assistance. You have all driving assistance settings here, like autonomous emergency braking control, traffic sign recognition, lane control, parking assistant, all that stuff. And you can adjust few of them. You have menu to control the climate control system if you don't like the physical buttons. Also you can activate seat heating with different options. You can activate it from climate control menu or with these fast buttons on top. Let's turn it off. For the menu, you have different sections here. You have favorites, and in order to add something to favorite, you need to click on this nice star here, and to remove everything, you can just do it like that. You have recent items, categories, and all possible menu items. On top of the screen, you have nice configurable menu. You can change these three icons. For example, if you want to have notifications here, just click on it and move it instead of compass. Or you can move compass back instead of Wi-Fi. Also, you can change what you see on the home page. You can pre-order pages, delete pages, add more pages with different layouts. Let's check the trunk. So we have the trunk, but the ability to store something here is quite limited. Yeah, because we have Cabrio version. You have this kind of organizer thing where you can fit at least something, but not a lot of stuff. I managed to put here a big suitcase, but that's it. But you can definitely put more stuff there with folded seats. That's a real future. That's a hydrogen car filling up. Interesting. Let's check the back seat. Okay. So you can fold it like that and put more stuff here, but without passengers, obviously. We have space for 2 passengers here. We don't have any cup holders, unfortunately, and if you will close the driver's seat, you will have 0 space, unfortunately. You cannot open doors here, but you can hang something, and you can put your hand here, and actually that's it. And if you have height of 176 centimeters like me, you can sit here. If you have more, then you will suffer. Sorry about that. Besides that, comfortable city car. Don't forget to check the full review here. Check something else here. Leave your like and comment, and see you soon. Bye.